introducing a new member to our squad this year that will help you game like a pro. This is the Legion AI Engine, a system of hardware, software, firmware, and driver support that intelligently identifies a game you've launched and automatically optimizes performance, driving up frame rates and the overall gaming experience. The AI engine has two game-enhancing capabilities. Auto Detect has pre-tuned settings for the top 15 AAA titles such as Apex Legends, Battlefield 5, and more. When one of these titles are loaded, our AI engine auto-detects the game's launch and then auto-optimizes settings to deliver maximum frame rates. If a game falls outside of that auto-detect list, the system will then use advanced machine learning to optimize system settings in real time based on the GPU, CPU, and other requirements of the game, making this the fastest Legion 7 ever.
Our entire range of Legion laptops have a built-in TrueStrike keyboard, which was actually modeled off of our famous ThinkPad keyboard. The soft landing switches give you a satisfying, slightly clicky, tactile feel. Here, listen. I'm also so pleased to announce that we've officially partnered with Nahimic Audio to drastically improve your gameplay experience with immersive 3D audio. You'll hear every footstep, every call out, and ensure crystal clear communication with your teammates. Legion gamers can exclusively enjoy Easy Surround, an innovative audio solution that turns any old Bluetooth speaker into a surround sound system. And finally, for those of you living in the US or Canada, your Legions also come with an option for Legion Ultimate support. We offer you a dedicated team of gamers to ensure you have real-time tech support 24/7 to fix any issues you might come across. Our next step is to kick off this year by expanding this service into countries like India, Japan, and Australia.